A very good afternoon to you all, especially my dear judges. My name is Rilwan Silamin of Class 8, representing Greenhouse. My hobby is dancing and drawing. And my aim in life is to become a specialist eye doctor because as we have seen that in this village, there are many people suffering from this eye disease. And in this school also, there are some students who got this eye disease at a very early age. I want to treat them, and that too at a very low price. Thank you.
Have you got the celebration? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Born with Bangladesh, the community with a rich culture. The world Chinese peoples, they are very hardworking, good men and women together to provide the needy of the family. Please welcome contestant number 2, representing Blue House with a beautiful traditional dress of the Lamin people of Vajaintia community, with full of ornaments, and perform it during the Shat Rangkusi, which held annually in the month of March or April. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 2.
Hello, a very good afternoon to you all, my dear teachers, my dear students, and the audience that are present here today. My name is Tefika Kayang of Class 8, representing from Blue House. My hobbies are singing and playing guitar, and my aim in life is to be a nurse because nurse help poor people, and especially when the time when they suffer. That's all that I want to ask from me, and I hope that you all have a lovely afternoon and enjoy the school weeks. That all, thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 2. Back to the corner of Austin. That is in the Penang community with colorful, beautiful dress performed during the harvesting festival. Please welcome contestant number 3. She is 16 years old with 5.2-inch eye. Please welcome on stage contestant number 3.
My dear students and my respective teachers and my respective judges. My name is Yailang Lamin of class 9, representing in Yellow House. My hobby is to playing game like cricket. Thank you.
Thank you, hello. The theme of this contest is beauty with brain. And tomorrow here on the beauty with brain. No, yeah, the question tomorrow here the theme they are talking about Miss and Mr. Janam. We sing the land of the Aceh, the tribes that belong to Meghalaya, the Garos people. They are hardworking and dedicated to war. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 4. The beautiful dress of the Garos people, mostly used to perform during the 100 drums or the Bangla festival. She is 5 feet high and she loves dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 4.
Very good afternoon to you all, my dear students and my dear teachers. My name is Dedi Kanevan Kualong of class 9. I am representing in Yellow House. My hobby is playing game badminton. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 4. Again, moving to the land of the Khalar Lower. The proud community with a variety of a rich culture. Welcome contestant number 5. She is 5 feet 2 inch tall, 17 years old. Her hobby is playing badminton. This beautiful attire used to perform during the Lahore Dance Festival by the Giantess peoples, mostly in the district headquarters, that is Joy. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 5.
Good afternoon to you teachers and my dear friends. My name is Professor Kasa of class 10. Representing in the house, my hobby is playing badminton. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 5. Now back to the northern part of Austria, bordered with Assam. The Bhoi people were mostly wearing a silk warm. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 6. She is 5 feet tall, 17 years old. Her hobbies is playing badminton and singing. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 6.
representing of greenhouse and my hobby is playing badminton and singing. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 6. Namaskar. The state along with the rank of the Brahmaputra Valley, the biggest and the most accessible of the northeastern state, the state which offers a lot foster the tourists and the culture for all and the trades for all the northeastern state. Please welcome our stage contestant number 7 with a beautiful traditional dress of the Assamese. She is 5 feet high, 16 years old. Her hobby is singing. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please welcome on stage contestant number 7.
Hi, a very good afternoon to you all, my dear students and my dear friends. To you all, the teachers and my dear friends. So my name is Ria Igashna of class 10, representing from the Red House, and my hobbies is singing and playing badminton. But among these two, badminton is my most favorite ones because badminton, it makes the person to become smart and healthy. So that's all. Thank you.
Last but not least, we are moving with different categories of women, different place, different tribes. Now, we will be moving into the state where the British Empire is stepping foot first. Calcutta is one of the center of trade and commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the contestant number 8. Please welcome on stage.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Stephanie Kongla in class 10 representing Pandu House. And my hobby is badminton. That's all. Thank you.
So sorry for the contestant number 8. She is dressing herself with a Misu's traditional dress. So now I would like to request all the participants, please come on stage.
Buông bay nữa. Không có ba xí. Dạ. So now this is a traditional round. So you have seen the 8 lovely ladies here, right? Yes.
Now, firstly I would like to announce Miss Subtitle that we have already done in the previous days. Miss Subtitles, Miss Photogenic, Miss Miss Personality, Miss Beautiful Hair. So these subtitles we have already conducted in the last previous days. So now, Miss Photogenic. Can you guess? Who is Miss Photogenic? Yes? Miss Photogenic goes to contestant number 1. So I request Aish to kindly present the... Next, Miss Personality. Guess who among these 8 young ladies here? Miss Personality goes to contestant number 7. So I would like to call Sophie to kindly give the prize. And now the last, Miss Beautiful Hair. Miss Beautiful Hair goes to contestant number 2, Stefika Kayang. So now you can walk on the line, ladies. Thank you so much. Hope for the best in the casual round.